Have you ever heard something growing up that felt off, but everyone around you acted like it was normal? Like being told you're too sensitive when your feelings were actually valid, or feeling guilty just for saying no. The truth is, emotional abuse isn't always loud. Sometimes it's disguised as parenting. And the worst part? Many parents don't even realize they're doing it. Here are 7 subtle forms of emotional abuse that are so common we've normalized them. Number 1. Guilt tripping. Instead of expressing hurt directly, some parents say things like, "After everything I've done for you," or, "That's how you treat your own mother?" This makes love feel like a transaction, and your boundaries feel like betrayal. Over time, you stop saying no even when you need to. Number 2. Dismissing emotions. Stop crying. You're being dramatic. You're fine. When a parent minimizes your emotions, you learn to distrust your own feelings. This doesn't toughen you up, it disconnects you from yourself. It's how emotional numbness begins. Number 3. Conditional love. You get praise when you succeed and distance when you fail. You're loved, but only when you behave a certain way. So you start performing for approval instead of feeling safe just being yourself. This creates adults who chase validation and fear rejection. Number 4. Humiliating you in front of others. Jokes at your expense. Embarrassing stories. Sarcasm that cuts deep. If you flinch and they say, "Relax, it's just a joke," you've likely experienced emotional boundary violations. Being mocked for who you are, even subtly, chips away at self-worth. Number 5. Silent treatment as punishment. When a parent stops talking to you to teach you a lesson, it's not discipline, it's control. Trains you to fear disconnection and tolerate emotional withdrawal in future relationships. It's a form of abandonment that never gets named. Number 6. Control disguised as protection. "I'm only doing this because I care." But their version of care meant tracking your every move, dismissing your choices, and not trusting you. When autonomy is treated like rebellion, children grow up afraid to take risks or trust themselves. Number 7. Shaming instead of guiding. "What's wrong with you? You'll never make it like that." Shame isn't correction, it's corrosion. It doesn't teach better behavior. Teaches self-hatred. A child who feels unworthy will shrink themselves for the rest of their life. If any of these sound familiar, you're not alone. These behaviors are passed down through generations, often without question. But recognizing them is the first step to breaking the cycle. You didn't imagine it. You didn't overreact. And your healing starts the moment you name what hurt you.